How to use track changes in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Microsoft Word, then click on Review. In Review, you'll find Tracking. Click on Track Changes, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on For Everyone or Just Mine. After done, simply click on OK and you're good to go. If you want to check your tracking, simply click on Tracking and then click on Previous. You'll find if there are any tracks recently changed. If not, you won't find any, and simply press on OK and you're good to go. That's how to use track changes in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.